Mendekithia ma bajeti ya mwaka ukite wa thirikari makiria gutengemanio bunge-ini nene ya kibururi niguo mariririo ni ambunge matanacoka kuhitukio matuike watho. No mũmbunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro no athiĩte na mbere kuruta mendekithia maya mahitia na kuga honge imwe cia bata cia thirikari ithukiirwo mbeca itari njiganu.
Tuko na bajeti kama ya elimu. Pesa ya capitation katika ile budget ililetwa na National Treasury katika bunge. Pesa ya capitation was not enough. Ya primary school, ya secondary schools. It wasn't enough. But even more astonishing, pesa ya examination, there was nothing. It was zero.
Kwa muhiano kigina kiria thirikari itumaga mathukuru kurugamirira mathomo riu nikio gicerehuritwo ciringi bilioni 5 iria ithamitio kurugamirira igeranio-ini cia kibururi.
When we give examinations 5 billion shillings and we know all of us ya kwamba exams Kenya it will require 11 billion Kenya shillings, we are just telling the invigilators and we are just telling those who will be marking that there is no money to pay them.
Kuringana na Ndindi, ciringi bilioni 11 nicio ibataranagia kurugamirira igeranio iria riu itigarite bilioni 6. Ndindi ongereire ati bajeti ino ingihitukio gwetarie thirikari iguthio na mbere gwikora thina-ini wa kwaga gukinyaniria motungata mayo kuria Kenya.
Why can't we make a budget that we can live with for the entire of the year? That is my question. Ya pili, tumeweka pesa ya capitation ambayo haikuwa inatosha lakini tumekata zaidi tupeleke kwa exam.
Aritie maya hindi ya igongona ria muthi wa githomo na gutuga thukuru cia muthingi na secondary iria ciekite wega kigeranio-ini Murang'a ya irathiro.
So these students are not in those big schools. If Maragi took 15, Gekuo took 12, I mean 6, 7, that is already 22 in 2 schools, and we have 28 day schools. So you can do your mathematics and see how the day schools are able to replicate all these things. So Mheshimiwa, we appreciate that support and we request that you continue to give us the same.
Involvement of Maragi Secondary School has increased courtesy of your program, Masomo Bora program.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma Maragi Kiharu County ya Murang'a, ritwa riakwa ni Victor Kenothia.